Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with the Mackie CP-5 right over here with me for a review. We're gonna analyze the look, the sound and the feel of this bad boy, but don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment down below. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this fella, which comes with this hard case plastic, padded underneath. Don't forget there's like a little envelope with some tools, some stickers, and of course, your CP-5. Pretty cool iteration, I have to say, of the CP capsule slider from Mackie. This is the latest addition. So, of course, we've got the CP2, and then we've got a CP3, and then we got the CP3 Nano, and then we got the CP5. So this is kind of like the evolution. You can see right over here, Zirk. It's not Zirk. Okay, not a biggie. It's okay. Don't panic. But anyways, you can see that beside the fact that this is the nano version of this, you can clearly see that the size is just shrinking down. But anyways, we are here to check the CP5, which is a pretty interesting one. I like the design. It's like it's futuristic but smoothened out in the edges. You have some like a nice arrow right over here. I imagine this can be easily filled with glowing ink. And right here on the back you have some more milling to create a little bit of traction, you know, from for your thumb to just slide this thing away. It's a numbered edition. There's only 400, like 399 made. This is number 57, and this thing, it doesn't come apart. So peculiarity of all the previous models is was that at least one part was just coming off. Like as you can see in the CP3, you have two parts coming off as well as the Nano, but in this case we get a screw right over there and a screw right over here, which are retaining the pieces in place. So on one side you used to have magnets, like in this case you see you have magnets right over here and the ball bearing on the track. In this case it's a little bit different. You get the ball bearing on the track on both sides, so there's no magnets, and definitely the feel is not as good as this one. I mean, this is insane. This fella right over here also has the same structure of magnets, but magnets on both sides, as you can see. There's no ball bearings going. And this has like probably, yeah, the nicest feel in the hand. This has, because it's bigger and I have bigger hands, this is just perfect for me. The cool part of this one is that you can just swap, rotate, and transform this thing into a clicker, something that you cannot do with the other models. But this one, because of course this is just like screwed in place like this. But anyways, this like burnished, not burnished, sorry, blacked out steel with this polished core is pretty cool looking. Nice addition for sure. I'm really liking these sliders over the haptic coins and over the spinners for sure. So I kind of dig this one. I just wish I had found one in Zirk. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Stay tuned.